Hello, everybody, and welcome back to RE Radar's Tuesday Tour. I am once again your guide and realtor for the tour today, Nathan Matheson, and on the docket for today's tour is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2420 square foot home listed in North Cap Hill here in Seattle. This home originally was built in 1902, but has been through multiple major remodels with the most recent full remodel in 2022. And just taking a look out back, you've got a nice large Trex deck, perfect for entertaining guests and hosting parties, along with a small grass patch. Touching on the flooring quickly, the majority of the house has this nice light colored engineered hardwood. And before we miss it here, the kitchen boasts the classic clean white quartz counters, along with plenty of cabinet space, in part due to those extra tall cabinets built into the wall next to the fridge. As we head upstairs, touching on the engineered hardwood more in depth, for those maybe wondering what that is, it is a flooring material made of multiple layers, usually 5 to 7 of plywood or high-density fiberboard or other wood composites that then mimic the look of solid wood, but is actually more durable and resistant to scratches and dents. What we will find upstairs then is 3 bedrooms along with a 3/4 bathroom, and then of course the en-suite bathroom in the primary. The primary also features large built-in closets along with a private patio deck. Now this is listed as a 4-bed, 3-bath home, and that's what it is. It's just that the other bedroom and bathroom are in the lower level that has been transformed into an ADU, and that is what I will be getting to next after showing you guys this here built-in in the primary and then getting out onto the deck in the primary suite. But back to ADU talk, they were very kind enough to give some stats on the ADU, and it rents on Airbnb and VRBO for $2,300 to $2,500 a month. ADUs and DADUs are becoming quite a popular addition to one's property due to all this increased demand in houses. Seattle has a finite amount of space, so what better way to create more housing than to add an ADU or DADU to an existing home or property? And the state of Washington seems to agree with that, as in 2023, Washington State enacted a law that essentially stated 2 ADUs per lot must be allowed in all urban growth areas. Obviously, there are restrictions, and the cities and counties are still working to figure out their exact plans for how to best implement this law in their areas. And with this being a topic that has so much information and is an evolving topic, I will be planning to bring this subject to an RE Radar podcast where I can help break it down further for y'all. But until then, that is all the time we have for today's Tuesday tour. Thank you for joining us, and I will see you on the radar next week.